Welcome to the ultimate test of endurance. They are racing not just for a trophy, but for life itself.
Up the hill they go. This is the most dangerous corner in racing.
Just like the uphill battle for Grandma Betty, he keeps pushing through the fear.
Disaster for the number 77. A spin into the gravel.
A setback. But in life and racing, you have to get back on.
Oh my goodness, that is a heavy hit for the Audi.
Heartbreaking. Just like when the medical bills pile up, but we must stay strong.
Look at the sparks. He's refusing to give up.
He's limping home. That is the spirit of filial piety, doing whatever it takes to bring the medicine home.
The race is neutralized. A moment to breathe.
A moment to pray for Grandma Betty. The rain hides the tears, but the resolve is burning hot. Poetry in motion. The team is working like a single organism.
Every second saved is $1 closer to the surgery. Go team, go!
The leader is in trouble. The hashtag 88 takes the lead.
This is it, the miracle we needed. He's driving for every child in the orphanage now.
Wheel to wheel, paint trading. It doesn't get closer than this.
Hold on. Do it for Grandma. Don't let him pass.
He's done it. The number 88 wins the 24 Hours of Spa.
Tears of joy. Grandma gets her.
Look at that emotion. 24 hours of hell for a moment of heaven. They didn't just win a race, they saved.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more miracles on the track. See you next time.
Traffic is a nightmare. One mistake and the dream is over.
He's protecting that car like he protects his family. Every position counts for the donation fund.
Explosion. The hashtag 77 has blown a tire at 150 miles per hour.
Danger strikes instant.
That car is done. The hashtag 26 is out of the race.
A sad end for them, but our hero, hashtag 88, avoids.
The sun goes down and the demons come out.
Darkness falls, but the light of hope for Grandma burns brighter than these headlights.
Unbelievable. He's driving on 3 wheels.
The pain.
The struggle. He refuses to park it. That is the definition of sacrifice.
The hashtag 27 is beached. No way out of there.
Alone in the dark, but we are never alone when we race for a cause. Our hero presses on.
The human cost of endurance. Everyone is exhausted.
Hashtag 32 is crab walking. It's broken.
Even broken, it moves forward. A lesson for us all. But
He's sucking onto the back of the BMW, the hunter and the hunted. Get him!
For the orphans, for Grandma, use the slipstream of destiny.
The Aston spins. A code brown moment for the Mercedes.
He dodged it. Divine intervention. The mission continues.
Nails are being bitten. Hearts are stopping.
Prayers are going up from 245 countries. Bring it home, son.
One more lap!
It's over. The Mercedes wins the 24 Hours of Spa.
we did it! Grandma Betty is saved. The children...
Yes! Grazie! Grazie! Good job, boys!
The hero of the day stands on his chariot. Look at that joy. This is why we race. This is why we live. Kings of Spa, history is written.
And the check for the surgery is secured. Thank you for supporting the stream.
Like and subscribe to help more families.
See you at the next race. Goodbye.
Look at the depth of field. The top 10 separated by seconds after 24 hours.
Every name on that list is a hero, but only one saved Grandma today.
The beast goes back to its cage.
Rest well, noble steed. You have done your job. The donation link is closed. We reached the goal.
Shiny gold. But the real gold is the love we shared today.
Thank you for being part of this journey. We love you all.
This is the Racing Channel, signing off. Click that button and see you in America. Bye-bye.
We did it, Mom!
This is the real victory. Not the trophy, but the notification on that screen.
Goodbye, Spa. The forest falls silent.
We are the Racing Channel. We race for good.
See you in the USA. Peace out.
The big Bentley has fallen. A giant sleeps in the darkness.
Heartbreak for the British team.
Civil war, Mercedes versus Mercedes. The Pink Panther against the Silver Arrow.
The rival blocks the path. but you cannot.
They are touching at 250 kph. Insanity.
Bravery, courage, just like Grandma when she faced the doctor. He's going for the moon.
Listen to the people. They want the hashtag 88 to win.
The energy is shifting.
Get out of the way. The leader is coming through.
Obstacles everywhere, but he clears them all. Focus is key.
Clean air. He's broken the toe. The victory is in sight.
The check is being written. Hold on, just a few more seconds.
P1, bring it home.
The clock hits 0. The 24 hours of Spa is conquered.
Look at that tire. That rubber gave its life for the win. Everything was sacrificed today. A beautiful struggle. We did it! He's live on Instagram. A hero for the digital age. Send him your hearts in the chat. He saved Grandma.
This has been a production of the Racing Channel. Filial piety wins the race. Goodbye.
The hashtag 47 uses the Ferrari as a brake. That is not how you make friends.
Desperation. When time is running,
The BMW power is unmatched. Look at that exit speed.
smooth and steady wins the race, just like the steady hands of the surgeon we are funding.
This is the view from the office. Chaos at 200 kilometers per hour.
Focus, tunnel vision. He sees only the goal, victory for the charity.
The heavens have opened. It's treacherous out there.
The sky is crying for us, but we will not slide.
Feeding the beast. 100 liters in seconds.
Energy in, energy out. Your donations are the fuel for this mission. Keep them coming.
It's not pretty, but it works. Hammer mechanics.
Fix it and fly. Just like we patch up our broken hearts and keep fighting for the cause.
He gave everything he had. Look at that exhaustion.
Look at that ticker go! You guys are insane! We did it! The surgery is fully funded. Now we just need to bring the car home to celebrate.
Soak it in, the king of the Ardennes.
The King of Hearts. He saved his family. He saved the day. What a story. What a race. Disaster. Teammates taking each other out. It's a nightmare scenario.
Just like when family fights over the inheritance. We
Puncture for the leader. The BMW is in trouble.
The path clears. Is this destiny? The universe is making way for the medicine run.
They are hacking the car apart just to get a wheel on. Do whatever it takes. We fix, we repair, we keep moving, never give up.
He pushed him off. The hard racing.
He's playing dirty. But we stay clean. Karma will handle the rest. Just keep driving.
The most beautiful track in the world.
A sunset of hope. We made it through the day. Now we finish the job.
The fans are on fire, literally. They are lighting the way home. The support is incredible. Thank you, everyone.
The tires are dead. He's driving on ice.
Hold on, little rubber. Just a few more corners. Don't burst now.
Heartbreak for BMW, but respect for the champions.
Even the rivals know this was a run for love. They bow to the cause.
The beast returns to its cage. Look at the dirt on that hood. Every speck of dirt is a badge of honor. He brought the medicine money home. The Three Musketeers of Spa, united in victory!
Brothers in arms. They fought for each other and for Grandma Betty.
Let's look back. It started 24 hours ago with a dream.
A long road, but every journey begins with a single...
Through the storm, he never wavered.
Darkness tried to stop him, but the light of love guided the way.
The anthem plays for the victors.
A melody of success. Grandma is listening from the hospital bed, smiling.
Pop the corks. Let it rain.
Sweet taste of victory. Celebrate, boys. You earned it.
It takes a village to win a race.
And it takes a family to save a life. Look at those smiles.
A Mercedes 1-2 finish. Dominance.
But the #1 result in our hearts is the surgery funding. Mission accomplished.
The forest reclaims the silence.
The roar is gone, but the legacy remains. Peace has returned to the valley.
Thank you.
There she is, the reason for it all.
God bless you, Betty. We did it for you. The racing community loves you.
Don't forget to subscribe. Next time we go to the USA to help veterans.
See you at the Brickyard. Goodbye.
The race is won on the track, but the victory is sealed here.
This piece of paper saves a life. Grandma Betty's heart will beat on.
The circus leaves town. 48 hours of madness packed into boxes.
We pack the gear, but we keep the memories. Goodbye, Belgium.
Wheels up, we are crossing the Atlantic.
From the forests of Spa to the brickyards of America, the mission continues globally.
New continent, new beast. Listen to that V8.
Next time, we race for Sergeant Miller, a homeless veteran who needs a home.
He fought for us, now we race for him.
Join us next week. Same channel, same passion. Let's get Miller off the streets.
Speed, power, noise. The American dream on track. Don't miss it.
Hit that bell.
Be a hero. See you on the grid. Pack your bags. We are leaving Europe.
From the waffles of Belgium to the burgers of America, the charity tour goes global.
We found him. He served us, now we serve him.
Get your tissues ready for the next episode. We are going to change this man's life through speed.
American muscle. 5.4 liters of freedom.
This car will carry the hopes of a hero. Tune in next time. The Racing Channel. One world, one race. See you on the track.
Subscribe!
And a massive shout out to the Iron Dames, first all-female lineup to win their class here. Breaking barriers and saving lives. Girl power.
The internet is breaking. You guys are the best community in the world.
Look at that love. This is what it's all about. Unity.
The best news of the day. Operation successful.
We race to win, but we live to love. Get well soon, Betty.
It wasn't all perfect. Watch your step, Dave. A little laughter to end the show. Nobody is perfect, but we got the job done.
The key is ready for the next ignition. Thank you for watching the Racing Channel. Goodbye.